Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Samsung Watch to an Android phone. First, ensure your Samsung Watch is charged to at least 50%. Power on both your watch and your Android phone. Then, download the Samsung Wearable app from the Google Play Store. This essential application will facilitate the entire connection process, guiding you through each step seamlessly for a smooth setup experience. Once the app is installed, open the Samsung Wearable application on your Android phone. Select the Start New Device option and then choose your specific watch model from the list that appears. A 6-digit passkey will be displayed on both your watch and phone. Confirm that these numbers match to securely initiate the pairing process. This ensures a safe and correct connection. After confirming the passkey, you will be prompted to grant several necessary permissions. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to allow access for features like notifications and health tracking. Agree to the terms and conditions to unlock your watch's full functionality. Finally, take a moment to customize your watch settings, including your preferred watch faces and notification preferences, to personalize your experience. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A common solution is to simply restart both your Samsung Watch and your Android phone, then attempt the pairing again. Always ensure that Bluetooth is actively enabled on your Android device. For the best connection stability, keep your watch and phone within a close range, ideally within 1 meter, throughout the setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.